We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner on a Lexmark CX417de. So on the printer on this side you will see the little toner symbol. You want to kind of pinch it and it'll release it, and then you want to let go and then it'll lock it in place and hold it up. So what you want to do is there's these green tabs and you just pull that out. Sometimes that might be a little hard to get out. Set your old one to the side, unbox your new one, and then you want to just stick it in, and once you hear it click, you know it's in there. They do have color indications on each side above the toner so you know where it goes. This printer does take the 71B1H series. If you guys are in need of supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.